So it is finally time to do some modifications on my Project Miata MX-5 things, and this is daytime running light modification, which lets you run the daytime running lights while you have your headlights on. More light is always a good thing. And also another thing is the MX-5 thing's third brake light flasher kit is when you're driving and you have more than 1G of braking force, this light starts flashing. So I decided to start with the rear taillight add-on because I have the RF. You bring the roof up. So this install is actually simpler than I thought. It's not down here, it's you come up to this side right here and the first cable right there at this section. This is where the cable is kept, and you just unplug it. Then you push this out from the mounting and plug in the adapter to this cable. Once you have plugged it in and you've taken this cable side out, all you do is just line it up and place it in like so, and it's mounted into there. There you go. I placed it in there and added 2 more zip ties with that adhesive on the side of there. It's not bothering anywhere. So on to the next part for the DRL lights. I went ahead and removed the door seal. Then this little piece in here, I had to remove the rain cover for that. Once we get down here, the manual says, or the instructions say, go ahead, remove the pedal, then the carpet, take off the plastic, and then get to that box. So this was quite a simple removal, not as hard as they showed it to be. I had to get an extended, larger tool, so you can see right there, for the 10mm. But it's very simple. Just take the sides, like I said, off. Then this, bend it away, put it under the clutch pedal, and styrofoam, move it down. Don't need to remove that pedal. Just move it down and wiggle in your 10mm so you can get the bottom bolt. Then hand untighten it, and we should be able to just remove it out of place, just like so. And there's the metal plate, and we have access to our computer that we need right there. Nice. Simply unplug the top right connector, and here we plug in the adapter that we have, and then plug in the adapter into there. And there, the adapter is in place. Take a look. This is the lights beforehand. This is how they look. We have the lights on, the top ones, but the DRLs are still off. Check out the lights now. As you can see, both are on, and they look fantastic. So much better than before. This just adds that little bit more of luminance that we want, and it looks fantastic. So I have assembled everything back together, and as you can see, I left the cover, well, not there. I didn't put it back. I just put the bolts back into place, and the cover is out here, simply because this weighs like half a pound or a pound. You know, extra weight savings. But jokes aside, I didn't feel like messing around with it, and this is not protecting much because my foot either way doesn't fly up there for no reason on this fake pedal. So I just took it out and I'm gonna throw it into my garage and keep it there for any point if I need it. And either way, this car might in the future still get stripped, so one step ahead, you know.